Hello, the weather across Europe is certainly keeping us on our toes at the moment. Lots to talk about, as we can see here on the earlier satellite picture. First up, an Atlantic front approaching the British Isles through Monday. More heavy rain across the eastern side of Europe. Heavy showers down towards southeastern parts of Spain. This theme continues really through Monday. That rain will slide across the British Isles, arriving into northwest France through the afternoon. More heavy rain across Germany, up towards Denmark and into Poland. And more heavy showers just clipping the far southeast of Spain. Further south and east, things are looking largely dry with lots of sunshine. Could see a few heavy showers for northern Turkey. Plenty of sunshine across Italy and across much of Iberia on Monday, but more cloud arriving into the northwest of Portugal and Spain through Monday afternoon. A few sharp showers down towards the southeast of Spain. We've got that heavy rain moving its way across the British Isles into northwest France and turning much more unsettled across Denmark and into Scandinavia as well. That theme continues as we go through Tuesday. And then we start to see more of these heavy showers and thunderstorms developing across Sardinia, Corsica, southern France, eastern Spain, and perhaps northern parts of Spain as well. So likely to see some impacts from those heavy showers and thunderstorms in Rome in the days ahead, turning drier as we head towards the end of the week, and things looking mainly fine and dry with some sunshine in Paris and in Madrid as well. Elsewhere across Europe, things are quite quiet in Berlin in the week ahead as the rain clears, some sunshine behind it, and we keep that sunshine and warmth in Athens. Hello. Hurricane Dorian made landfall in Nova Scotia late on Saturday, still with sustained winds of 100 miles an hour, torrential rain and that dangerous storm surge. Here it is on the earlier satellite picture. Now, whilst initially it's still going to bring strong winds and heavy rain across the Canadian Maritimes, it is now a post-tropical storm and it will continue to pull away into the Atlantic. Then our attention turns to these heavy showers and thunderstorms across the plains, the Midwest, working their way up towards the Great Lakes, and another area of heavy rain and thunderstorms across the Pacific Northwest, which will slide its way eastwards across the Rockies over the next few days. Let's take a closer look at this as we move into the Pacific Northwest. You can see some heavy rain across British Columbia, into parts of Alberta, into Montana as well, and then stretching its way down the Rockies. Some very heavy rain and embedded thunderstorms in this. Meanwhile, we've still got this heat building across parts of the Four Corners, although temperatures will start to climb down from the 100 Fahrenheit we've been seeing in recent days, and we'll start to see some fine conditions across Vancouver and Seattle as well. So still very wet, very windy as what was Hurricane Dorian pulls away into the Atlantic as it moves away from the Canadian Maritimes. We've got heavy showers and thunderstorms through the Midwest up towards the Great Lakes. Then across the southeastern quarter of the USA, we're holding on to that heat. Those heat advisories remain in place over the coming days, really from Florida all the way across to Texas. Bye-bye. Hello, we'll get the forecast for the Caribbean, Mexico and Central America in just a moment's time. First to South America, let's begin with the earlier satellite picture. This large area of cloud has been producing some heavy falls of rain across northern Argentina, into Uruguay, the far southeast of Brazil. More to come over the next few days, partly driven by quite a strong temperature contrast. So temperatures above average to the north, much cooler to the south. And there's the potential we could see some flash flooding across this part of South America as we go from Sunday into Monday. Plenty of showers developing across Colombia, Venezuela, into the far northwest of Brazil on Sunday. Much of Brazil away from the far northwest and the far southeast, largely dry with a bit more cloud across some eastern coast, just turning the sunshine hazy. More heavy rain, as I mentioned, for the far north of Argentina. Still quite wet and cool across much of Chile with some snow for the southern and northern Andes. Looking fine and dry in Rio in the week ahead. Lots of sunshine here. And as the rain clears from Buenos Aires, things will slowly start to turn a little bit warmer again, with temperatures becoming closer to average. Plenty of heavy showers with embedded thunderstorms down the western side of Mexico, also down towards Panama and Costa Rica as well. Scattering of showers across the eastern side of Cuba, some of those turning heavier across Hispaniola. Looking largely dry across the Bahamas in the days ahead. Can't rule out one or two local thunderstorms, but after the devastation caused by Hurricane Dorian, things are looking much quieter here in the days ahead. Bye-bye. Hello, we'll get the forecast for the Middle East in just a moment's time. First to Africa, let's start with the earlier satellite picture. Now, our seasonal rains, where we expect them to be at this time of the year, where the cloud is whitest and brightest, that gives us a good indication of where some of the heaviest rain has been. And as you can see, it's towards the western side of Africa. That theme continues in the days ahead. Likely to still pick up a few heavy showers Along the coast of Morocco, Tunisia, Algeria, to the south of our seasonal rain, things are looking largely dry. The heat we've seen through the weekend across the southern Cape tending to ease, and that heat starting to extend its way north and eastward. So temperatures coming right down to the low 20 Celsius in Cape Town in the days ahead. But the temperatures starting to climb in Johannesburg, getting to the high 20 Celsius. Lots of sunshine here. Good deal of sunshine in Khartoum. And whilst it is to the north of the seasonal rain, could see a few thunderstorms developing here on Wednesday, staying dry with a good deal of sunshine in Casablanca. Across to the Middle East then, some showers developing across Armenia, Georgia, Azerbaijan, towards Black Sea coast, maybe just clipping the far north of Iran. Can't rule out a few heavy showers along over the higher ground of Yemen through Monday, and quite a breeze blowing, a moderate to fresh shamal through the Red Sea, the Gulf, also some strong winds along the coasts of Oman as well on Monday. But for much of the Middle East, things continue mainly dry and quiet, lots of sunshine, and for many, temperatures in the high 30s, low 40 Celsius. Bye-bye. Hello, time to take a look at the forecast across South and Central Asia. And around this time in September, we normally expect the monsoon rain to start withdrawing. Not the case over the coming days. Still some very heavy rain around, with severe weather warnings in place, particularly across northeastern states of India. This is where we're going to be seeing some of the heaviest rain over the next few days. But this will slowly start to push its way north and westwards as well. So areas like Rajasthan, Gujarat, parts of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, like to see some of the heavy rain as we go through Monday and into Tuesday as well. You can see the extent of the rainfall here, the bright blue and green colours. Further north across Kazakhstan, we've got quite a few showers around on Monday. They'll be sinking their way south and eastward, so things cooling down in Tashkent for a while, though behind all of that we'll see the sunshine returning and the temperatures rising. Across much of Pakistan it's mainly dry, lots of sunshine. That rain gets going as we move into Gujarat, Rajasthan, parts of Maharashtra, down into Kerala as well. Maldives should be mainly dry on Monday, lots of sunshine here, scattering of heavy showers across Sri Lanka, particularly near to Colombo. Tamil Nadu, much of Tamil Nadu looking largely dry, and into Andhra Pradesh as well. But those northeastern states, as I mentioned, like to see some of the heaviest rain in the coming days. Really looking quite wet in Dhaka and in Mumbai to start the week, but things may start to dry up as we go through the middle and the end of the week. And once the rain clears on Monday in Tashkent, the sunshine returning, lots of dry weather and sunshine in Karachi. Hello, we've seen some torrential rain and damaging winds from Typhoon Ling Ling across Korea in the past day or two. It's no longer a typhoon, it's now just an area of low pressure and it's pulling away north and eastwards, and our attention turns to this area of cloud. This is Typhoon Farsai. It's likely to make landfall across southeastern parts of Honshu overnight Sunday into the early hours of Monday morning, and that's going to bring damaging winds, torrential rain, 200 to 300 millimetres in places. Tokyo could well see some severe impacts through Monday and Tuesday before it pulls away north and eastwards and moves out to sea. Keeping an eye on area of low pressure to the east of the Philippines, that could develop into a tropical storm. And whilst the rain does begin to ease across Vietnam in the week ahead, still some heavy rain here as we go through Monday. But keeping a close eye on Tokyo, likely to see severe impacts from Typhoon Ling Ling, and still some outbreaks of rain on and off in Seoul in the week ahead. Across to Australasia, where high pressure is the dominant feature across much of Australia, with heat building from the west. Areas of cloud and rain starting to pull away from southeastern parts of Australia, but still those strong winds along eastern coast, which will continue to fan the wildfires, some damaging gusts of wind in places. And this area of low pressure will keep things fairly unsettled across New Zealand over the coming days, still bringing up that cold air from the Antarctic. But eventually we'll start to see the temperatures rising a little bit towards the end of the week, and we'll see the temperatures rising in Sydney as well.